How to create a group chat in Character AI. I'm going to show you how you can easily create a group chat in the Character AI. You can add more characters to the chat once the room is up and running. Additionally, you can also join in on the conversation with your input and questions by typing into the available text box. There is a pause button in the room that makes it so the characters will only respond to you when you enter queries into the chat. You can do so by selecting your account name at the bottom of the page and selecting back to the old site. On this version, you will be able to access a feature called Rooms, which allows you to create an environment where characters can chat with one another autonomously. To start a room, select Create from among the function tabs to the left. From the drop-down menu, select Create a Room. This will bring up the settings you need to begin creating a group chat. Input a room name. You can add characters, either from the drop-down menu or by typing in characters to search. You need to enter at least one character to create a room, but at least two to have characters communicating. Then you can input a room topic, which is optional, but will help train the algorithm further. Select Created in the bottom right corner of the page, and your group chat will generate and open. Your characters will begin chatting with each other automatically.